Hi, I'm Timothy Morris. I'm an attorney and I practice law in Harnett County, North Carolina. My friends and colleagues call me Tim. During my 25-year career, I have handled a lot of traffic tickets and I've been able to help a lot of people with those. If you've gotten a traffic ticket in Harnett County, I'd like to help you as well. Well, you got yourself a traffic ticket. We've all been there. We hear the sirens and the police officer pulls you over and you find yourself hoping maybe that he'll cut you a break, but as luck turns out, he does not. You get that sinking feeling in your stomach and you may even utter a few choice words. There's no doubt about it. Getting a traffic ticket stinks. You're going to notice on the back of that traffic ticket there's going to be an option where you can avoid even going to court or doing anything and writing a check or paying by money order and just pay the ticket off. You should not do that. Now let me explain why. Let's say that you receive a speeding ticket for doing 72 in a 55-mile-an-hour zone. If you simply mail that payment in or pay that ticket off, you will receive DMV points and your insurance is going to go up. Which leads me to another point. Let's say that you've accidentally missed a court date or for some reason there's something out there that you've not handled. If you simply mail that ticket in, you're going to have a moving violation during a period of time when your license is revoked, and it will add another year to that revocation. Or let's say that you've paid off another ticket where you pled responsible to speeding over 55 miles an hour. In that case, the law in North Carolina would dictate that your license is going to be revoked. So you can see paying off your ticket is not a good idea. So a couple of days after you get this traffic ticket, you're going to be walking down to your mailbox and there's going to probably be a stack about that high from attorneys soliciting your business. I do not send letters. The letters will typically serve their purpose though, which is to explain some of the law and to scare you into hiring an attorney, namely them. So why call me? Here's why. Because I've got a lot of experience handling traffic tickets. Not only have I defended them, but I also spent a couple of years prosecuting traffic matters. Secondly, and perhaps most importantly, is I understand how devastating it can be for a family to deal with the consequences of maybe losing your license or even having your insurance rates go up. The third reason is that I'll make it easy, at least as easy as possible. If you're local, simply call the office and set up a time to come by and talk with us about it. We'll have you sign 2 different forms. One gives me permission to go to court so that you don't have to go, and the second one gives me permission to pay out court costs on your behalf. If you're out of state or work prevents you from being able to come by during working hours, we can do all of that by phone. You can sign those things electronically. If you're out of state, that can save you literally hundreds of dollars. And by the way, I do not fleece out-of-state drivers. After you sign those forms, here's where the hard part comes in for you. You'll pay my fee and you'll deposit court costs, if any, into my trust account so that I can pay them out on the very day that I handle your matter. I then go to court, take care of your matter. My office will then send you a letter letting you know what happened in court that day. Keep in mind there are certain circumstances where you may be required to go to court personally. For example, there are certain speeds where you may have to go to court. Secondly, charges like driving while license revoked may require your personal attendance. And also, if you're under the age of 21, our district requires that you attend a driving school. No ethical attorney can promise you results in a particular case, and I can't. However, for each case, my goal is to minimize the consequences to you, whether that be through preventing DMV points or insurance points, or in a lot of cases, both of those. In my career, I've handled literally thousands of traffic matters. And for each one of them, I get a sense of satisfaction, knowing that I've helped people like you who are looking for an attorney that they can trust with their matter. I would like to help you. I'm Tim Morris, and I can help you.